Hi guys, my name is Lucky Charms, and I'm here with
Miss Katana's King.
And if you guys want to see how we got into these vampire looks, then keep on watching. Okay, I just got some brows on, and this baby's just got some foundation on, and we're gonna get into it.
Oh my god. I had to work 8 hours today. 8.5.
I can't.
The smoke shop. I have to work on Thanksgiving on Monday.
Same.
Really?
Yeah. I told you not to do the cream highlights. Like, I don't know what you're doing over there.
Wait, what?
When people thought you had a twin.
Oh, yeah. That's crazy.
One kid you wrote a song about died. How do you feel about that?
I don't know.
What?
It's crazy.
Are you going to do a tribute?
I can't believe I forgot my brushes at home.
Clap if you think she should suffer. I don't know why I'm even putting foundation up this far when I know I'm wearing a bang, but...
Who is that?
Who that is?
Okay, that's...
Who is Sweet Nipples?
Is it me?
No.
Am I the villain? Am I Sweet Nipples?
That's hot. This is the only clean flat brush.
I think that will work.
Thought you were scared of black eyeshadow.
It is what it is.
So you're saying your relationship with black eyeshadow has not changed? Also, where do you learn how to do your drag makeup? Like, do you watch any videos?
I used to watch videos, yeah.
Not anymore. You're like, I've learned enough.
Am I poor?
You act like it.
No. $26.
You I've already spent like 40 making the jellyfish costume like already. Yeah, I'm putting a lot of work into it.
I appreciate it.
I had to change the way I contour when I gained like 40 pounds. As you were losing weight, I was gaining weight. And had to learn how to contour again. Because for a while I had just like barely been wearing, I wasn't wearing like any face makeup.
Yeah.
But I definitely had to change that when I gained a little weight. I was like, we gotta sculpt, Henny. I feel like I've also gotten better at the nose contour.
Oh my god. It's so hard for me to do nose contour because my nose is always sweating. Right, like right now. Do you see it?
Yeah. Here's sis. Hypohidrosis. How did it feel coming out to your family as a hypohidrosis? They were like, okay, you wet and what? I think I just mixed a highlighter in. Work. Oh yeah, but this palette was like a couple dollars on Amazon.
Really?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's like an I Heart makeup palette. It's like very off-brand, but it's very nice. It's what I've been using for like a little bit now. When my next one like ran out.
Oh, I remember that.
I go through contour like crazy. And then I go back in with some powder and clean it all up. I'm not doing blush today. Because I just feel like a vampire look is not when you decide to wear blush, you know. I do some stuff with a beauty blender like this kind of baking. because I just find it gets a better result. Like pressing it in and really getting the color. Have you tried reverse baking?
No.
Can really like widen things. Make your cheekbones look more full. And then I used to not do this at all. But I've started doing it recently, and I notice the difference when I don't do it, so. But yeah, this is how I contour now that I've gained weight. Been trying out a lot of different eye shapes.
Yeah.
Because a drag queen one time when I like did a little thing that was like, what should I do to change up my makeup? She was like, do different eye shapes, you dumb, ugly, crusty bitch. It's like, okay.
What's your favorite Halloween movie?
I don't know. Honestly don't know.
Really?
Yeah. I guess maybe like The Corpse Bride. Because it's really cute. What about you?
Love Scream.
Why?
It's like slasher movies.
Just like people running away ridiculously?
Yeah, I love that.
Oh, my favorite one is that girl who's like deaf.
Deaf? I know. I knew you were gonna say that.
Because it's ridiculous.
Hush.
Yeah, it's literally ridiculous. And then also that one where they like break into the old man's home.
Oh my god, don't breathe! I love it. I saw that in theaters alone.
What are you doing?
My lips.
You haven't even finished your face.
Oh my god, I'm like skipping steps.
You're like acting like you're done, like you haven't done eyeliner or anything. You're like, I do lips last. What are you doing?
I miss my brushes.
My under eye always looks so crusty before I do the eyeshadow. Like so crunch. Crunch McGunch. Just remembered me and my friend, like ex-best friend, ate like out of a Tim Hortons dumpster one time.
I haven't been to Tim Hortons in a long time.
Wait, what do you use for your whites on your eye?
I use this white concealer from e.l.f. But I also have this one from Maron.
It's a Macron.
Maron.
One time I was around like other drag queens and I said to like I said something of like RuPaul's Drag Race has like a closed-minded situation and da 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 da, and then I said as a joke RuPaul's Drag Race got f***ed up drag, like the Jasmine Masters quote.
Yeah.
And someone like told me, come on Teletubby, teleport us to Mars.
What the f?
How do you not know what you were walking into, girl? You already did this. Ooh. Change your costume, change it around. Hello?
Oh, she's dead.
Stop!
So high.
A fan died. You're about to see a wet situation. Right there. This is the calm before the storm. But I'm just trying to emulate what you're doing, but in like my own eye shape kind of way. When I said I've been trying new eye shapes, that was a lie. I've been using the Kat Von D liquid liner even though she like doesn't vaccinate her children. Could I get scissors? Okay, we don't need to scream. I like when girls don't wear mascara and then put on eyelashes and then you can see like their white eyelashes. I think that's really attractive. I don't know if it's just because they like have bad eyesight or it's like, because whenever I do that it's like an accident. Also, I like that my bottom eyelashes are actually like visible when in drag. So when I put on eyelashes, it's like boom.
My brushes. I miss my brushes.
You've been doing everything with like 2 brushes. I only used like 2 brushes for this look. What you need all them brushes for? Alright, I don't know why you're looking at yourself. I just have lashes and lips to do.
I need liner.
We're gonna do lashes and lips and finish off the looks, and we'll be right back. So this is the finished looks. I look so short next to you right now. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe and let us know what you guys want to see next time. Bye.
Bye.